Good day, YouTubers, forex traders, entrepreneurs, and everyone watching this video. So yeah, guys, I'm thinking now we're coming to an end of the YouTube videos on technical analysis. Only on the technical analysis chapter, I've basically covered like every single thing you guys need to know on technical analysis. And today we'll be covering our last and final chart pattern, which is the rising chart pattern. So guys, if you haven't yet watched all the other videos, do go out to my channel and make sure that you watch all the other technical chart pattern strategies that I've given out to you guys. So yeah, the book, I've been emphasizing this so much, and I know most of you already have read the book and stuff, but if you haven't, do check out down by the description how you can get your free ebook and by the end of the video. So yeah, let me get to it. Today, like I said, we will be covering the rising channels, which are more like the falling channels. It's actually like the opposite of what you have with the falling channels, but the only difference is that for rising channels you only get to trade them for a selling opportunity rather than the rising. So immediately once it breaks our support level and gives us a confirmation breaker, that's when we can sell, unlike the falling where we buy on the resistance level. So yeah, I've prepared a couple of setups over here which you guys can learn and go through along with me as I analyze through it. So yeah, over here we have like for EURUSD H1, tracing it back this year, 23rd of January 2018. So this year we had, actually, we could, if you guys have like checked out the double top which we covered as well, this is more like a double top, and then our neckline will be over here and we sell. Otherwise we are not gonna focus on this today, so let me remove that. Yeah, rising channels, here's one over here. Okay, let me draw it properly first, starting it over here. That's it. Am I drawing properly? Nope. Let me start off with the resistance level here. We're having our resistance level and it should be parallel. So here's how it goes about. Yeah, right over here. You can see you had a touch over here, 1 second touch, third touch, and finally a breakout, even though the market went back into the chart pattern, but later on it re-broke again and started selling off. So yeah, and on our resistance level we had almost a touch, but we could also include it as like our second touch and third touch, which confirms a complete chart pattern. So once we have our confirmation breakout, that's where we put in our stop losses and entry levels and stop losses and everything, so that we can sell. Like, the reason why I say this is some of you guys have been telling you, those who have been attending like our mentorship classes and the one-on-one sessions, I've been telling you a lot about breakouts, false breakout, what happens with the false breakouts, and when the market gets to retrace every time after a breakout. I think I also mentioned about retracement on the other videos, but anyway, in most cases what the market does is that after the breakout it will cause what we call a retrace, a pullback or throwback, depending on which side of the support or resistance it breaks. It will break, go back to retest your levels there before it continues with the trade. So make sure that you have your stop losses at a proper level, because it might hit your stop loss before going to your target price. So in this case, our entry level will be probably around this level, and then be having a stop loss. And as you can, guys, I've told you, if like your stop loss you see like it's too tight, increase it to at least 70 more pips, which in this case would be probably here, and target. But make sure like before you increase it, okay, 100 pips over here. So this would definitely be our entry. Stop loss around this level, and you can see like it's more of a resistance level. It's been touching over there, touched over there, and a resistance level over here. And then our target, which is 100 pips. Oops, went a little bit too far. So this level, just where price is at the moment. So that would be our target. Easy, simple, and straightforward money making machine. Simple and easy money making machine. Our target, change color to green to indicate that it is in a positive mode, and red for danger. Unselect all. Let me remove these two. Okay. So yeah, that's how easy you get to analyze and trade. Put in your support and resistance level, which is your rising support and rising resistance. They should be parallel since it's a channel. And the moment you have your breakout, make sure like you leave some couple of few pips or space so that you can have your entry, like what he had here. Market breaks over here, we had our entry around this level. Price went back inside. It's either you could have entered on this one or entered at this position. So it would have been better if you entered at this position. The advantage of not trading this one is that you can see we had like our hammer here, which indicates a change in direction, and a shooting star over here, which also shows a change in direction. So over here, since it's a hammer, we know that if it's a hammer, it's changing direction, it's gonna go up. And unfortunately, we didn't get to our resistance level because we had this shooting star which pushed price downwards, and it broke again on our support level, and we sold it easy as that. So yeah, EURUSD H1 rising channels. Let me move to another. I saw one here on the Euro JPY as well, and it was quite a longer chart pattern channel. Yeah, we have this long uptrend over here, and our resistance level. That's how you place it. So yeah, a touch, didn't get there. Touches about 3 times here, which is 4 times now, and another touch, didn't get back to our resistance level, but we eventually had our break over here. So the moment it breaks, same thing, same strategy, same methodology, whatever you can call it, but you place in your entry level, which is your pending order. Yeah, place in your pending order right over there, and 50 to 70 pips for your stop loss. Okay, now we can see with 50 pips we're having enough space. Look, if it's 70, it's way more than enough, but in this case we just go for 50 pips. So anything in between 50 to 70 is absolutely fine. Doesn't have to be like accurately 50. Sometimes if you have like a huge account and you feel like, okay, let me place 100 pips for my stop loss, and then maybe 200 for a target, that's absolutely fine. All up to you, as long as your risk management is in place and it's properly in place. Just make sure that you don't place like 100 pip stop loss on a 100 pip loss stop loss on a $100 account, and then put in a high lot size on your trades. Like, that would be just disaster for yourself there. So yeah, 50 pips. Let me get back to my 50 pips, which is right over here, in line with this level. And over here, since it's a long chart pattern like this, I'm definitely gonna allow my trade to run longer. So 100 definitely ideal, and we can see that it's enough space. So anything from 100 upwards, absolutely fine. So for now, what we would have done is that if I traded this one, I'd definitely went for 100 pips, and then later on, as the trade goes down like it just did over here, I would have increased my target to a much lower level over here, and then closed my stop loss to break even and make more dollars. So yeah, target, stop loss, red for this one over here, and there you go, guys. Easy. It's the MBA. Easy. Master of bank account. MBA. We teaching you the MBA. So yeah, that's how it is, guys. We have like a rising channel with a rising support and a rising resistance level over here. Price has been consolidating in between these price levels. We have our breakout. The moment we have our breakout, we determine where our entry is going to be, stop loss and target, put that in place, and yeah, this is where you'll put in your proper lot size depending on how much of your account you're having over there, and your stop loss, which is this level over here. So you'll take that price which I just removed, that price, you insert it in here, and your target will go in here, and then change this to pending order. Don't do a market execution. Okay, well, you can do it, but in most cases, for my personally, all my trades are just like put in a pending order, and then it will be a sell stop. And then this entry level here, let me show you. This entry level will be your price over here, and then since it's a sell stop, you just place your trade and wait for price to trigger you into the trade and start selling off. That's how easy it is, guys. So yeah, that's it with my technical analysis, chart patterns. If you guys have like any question in terms of what we have covered, do make sure that you hit me up on either the comment section, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Those who have like my WhatsApp or are in my WhatsApp group, make sure like you continuously ask any questions that you guys are having there, so that we can help you guys to be able to trade. Another thing, like mentorship program is still on, so if you guys are available for that and need like personal mentorship, do hit me up. I'll also like help you through that. Mostly I haven't been to different areas as yet, but like if you are in Johannesburg or are able to come through to Johannesburg, do make sure that you hit me up so that I can book you for a session, and yeah, let's help each other to trade and be successful traders. I think that will be it. Another thing, the ebook as mentioned, if you need it, details will be at the description or by the end of the video. And yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Make sure you guys be able to subscribe to the channel, as I'll be uploading a whole lot of more videos on forex trading and how to become successful traders and anything. So yeah, happy trading. I wish you all a successful trading career, and yeah, do follow through all the basic things of trading that are in the ebook in terms of risk management, being disciplined a lot, and following through your trading strategy, trading plan. Make sure you have a trading plan or a journal somewhere you follow through all the accurate things and don't get to lose money. Yeah, I think that will be a wrap. I don't have anything much to share from here onwards. So yeah, our next videos from here will probably be on fundamental analysis, risk management, trading psychology. Also wanna go back to candlesticks since I haven't like touched a lot on candlesticks, but I've like actually when it passed through it, they should have been like the first topics which I've covered, but unfortunately. Anyways, yeah, guys, happy trading. Wish you all the best. See you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below here, and